To change the lock pattern on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD and then tap screen lock type. Draw your current pattern. Now tap pattern. Draw your new pattern. Tap continue and then draw your new pattern again to confirm it. Tap confirm. Here you will be informed that your previous pattern will be saved for 72 hours or 3 days, so you still can use it to reset your screen lock in case you forgot your new pattern. It depends on your choice, but for your security, it's recommended that you delete your previous pattern in the secure lock setting menu. Tap OK button. Your lock screen pattern has been changed and you can use your new pattern to unlock your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.